In this unit, we are going to discuss about the difference between LDP and HDP. Low density polythene, it is normally obtained at 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure, 350 to 570 Kelvin temperature in the presence of peroxide. By applying this temperature, pressure and catalyst condition, ethene molecules are get converted into polythenes, but whatever the polythene obtained by this is called as low density polythene. It is obtained via free radical mechanism and it is a highly branched structure. I repeat, low density polythene is a highly branched structure. Low density polythene is chemically inert and tough but flexible and poor conductor of electricity. They are chemically inert. They does not undergo any kind of chemical reactions. Flexible रहते हैं, that's why they are used in a pipes. फ्लेक्सिबल पाइप्स जो रहती है, स्क्वीज बोतल, छोटे बच्चों के टॉयस वहाँ पे यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड दे आर पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दे आर यूज इन इंसुलेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक कैरिंग वायर्स. आप सबने देखे होंगे कि घर पे जो वायर्स जाते हैं तो वायर्स के ऊपर जो इंसुलेटिंग लेयर रहता है, बराबर, दैट इंसुलेटिंग लेयर मेड अप ऑफ द प्लास्टिक लाइक मटेरियल इज नथिंग बट LDP. LDP, it is obtained by n number of ethene molecules undergo the polymerization at 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure, 350 to 570 Kelvin temperature and peroxide as a catalyst. What is obtained? CH2 n times and result into polythene, and the polythene obtained over here is a kind of low density polythene. It is flexible, chemically inert and branched structure. On the other side, high density polythene, how does high density polythene is formed? It is formed when the addition reaction is taken place in the hydrocarbon solvent, in the presence of hydrocarbon solvent. That is catalyst like triethyl aluminum and titanium tetrachloride, that is called as Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Triethyl aluminum Al C2H5 3 times and titanium tetrachloride as a catalyst is used, and by using such catalyst, that catalyst is called as Ziegler-Natta catalyst at 333 to 340 Kelvin temperature and low pressure 6 to 7 atmospheric pressure. Whenever pressure is high, then it result into low density polythene. Pressure is low, then it result into the high density polythene. High density polythene is formed by the Ziegler-Natta catalyst, and Ziegler-Natta catalyst has a combination triethyl aluminum and titanium tetrachloride. It is one of the most important question in the entrance examination also. Which of the following used as a catalyst in the preparation of HDP? Then please remember it is a Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Their high density polythene consists of the linear molecules, high density due to the close packing, and they are chemically enough and more tough and less elastic as compared to the low density polymer. Because of their toughness and hardness, they are used in the manufacturing of buckets, dustbin, bottles, pipes, etc. Normally, high density polythenes are the kind of thermoplastic polymers. They are a kind of thermoplastic polymers. बकेट, डस्टबिन जितने भी आपके घर में हैं, आसपास है, वो सब बोटल्स पानी के, वो सब जो पॉलीमर्स के बने रहते हैं, दे आर हाई डेंसिटी पॉलीमर्स एंड दे आर लीनियर पॉलीमर्स and they are obtained by using Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Next, Teflon. Polytetrafluoroethene is called as Teflon. Teflon protector, आप लोग ने कई बार सुना होगा कि एक्सटर्नल सरफेस को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए they are utilized. Teflon is manufactured by heating tetrafluoroethene in the presence of catalyst, free radical catalyst and persulfate catalyst at high pressure. They are also chemically inert and resistant to attack by the corrosive reagent. मोबाइल के स्क्रीन के ऊपर भी टेफ्लॉन कोटिंग किया जाता है. बराबर, घरों में एक्सटीरियर पेंट के ऊपर भी टेफ्लॉन का यूज़ किया जाता है. ऑटोमोबाइल्स की सरफेस के ऊपर भी कोरोजन या तो कोरोजिव जो रिएजेंट्स होते हैं, किसी की स्ट्रेच से प्रोटेक्ट करना है तो वहाँ पे भी टेफ्लॉन का यूज़ किया जाता है. It is used in the making of the oil seals and gaskets and also used in the preparation of non-stick surface coated utensils. Non-stick surface जो रहते हैं, जो घर में यूज़ किए जाते हैं उसकी कोटिंग के भी लिए भी टेफ्लॉन का यूज़ किया जाता है. मोस्ट वाइडली यूज इन अ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ऑयल सील एंड गैस्केट्स. टेफ्लॉन इज अ प्रोटेक्टर. सो टेट्राफ्लोरो टेफ्लॉन नाम TEF tetra F fluoro tetrafluoroethene units repeated n times, then is result into the Teflon. Persulfate as a catalyst are used over here. Polyacrylonitrile CH2 double bond CHCN. Acrylonitrile group repeated n number of times in the presence of peroxide catalyst result into the formation of polyacrylonitrile. They are used as a substituent of the wool or synthetic wool. Polyacrylonitrile is nothing but synthetic wool. They are used in a substitute of wool in making a commercial fibers or as a Orlon. It is also famous as Orlor or acrylane. Orlon or acrylane. Acrylonitrile, nitrile CN group, CH2 double bond CHCN. All these are the kind of homopolymers. Low density polythene, high density polythene, Teflon, polyacrylonitrile, all are the kind of homopolymer because they are made up of same monomer units.